Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing these viral TikTok items, so I want to go ahead and get these open. I can't wait to open these goodies. And full disclosure, I did pay for everything with my own money. I wasn't sent anything. But yeah, these are all the things TikTok influenced me to buy. So let's get started. Okay, I'll start one package at a time. And we're gonna start with this one is from Canvas Beauty. The body glaze. I know everybody has been seeing it on their For You page. This is one of the ones I'm most excited about ordering. And might I add, the shipping is super fast. It was the first thing that got here, even though it was one of the last things I ordered. And I got it in the scent Siama. So they said that this one pairs well with perfumes and everything. So I just wanted to make sure that I get something that blends pretty easily. So as you can see, the ingredients that's on it is palm fruit oil, beeswax, sunflower oil, vitamin E oil, fragrance, argan, kernel oil, rice bran, and jojoba oil. So it's not a whole bunch of ingredients. It doesn't tell you what the fragrance is, so you won't be recreating it. Oh, it smells good. It smells fresh. It smells like flowers. You can definitely smell the oils. And I'm gonna put it on my arm. It's not like too thick, but we're gonna see. As you can see the shine on the camera very well. It smells really good. It's not too strong. I could definitely wear this. I would say even if you wanted to have a little shine when you're going somewhere, going out, maybe even to the beach, might be a little too much fragrance for the outside. You know, you just don't want bugs on you and stuff. But it smells really good. And the other thing is, I'm definitely going to see like how long it lasts. But Stormy, you did a good job. I love it. And I'll definitely be wanting to try more scents to see like which one is my favorite. This is the only one I have, so I don't have anything to compare it to. But definitely worth the hype. Okay, so we have the next package. Let's see which one it is. I ordered a lot of stuff. Okay, it is the 4K digital camera. So all of the things that I am showing you now, I'm sure you've seen it on your For You page. People have tons of videos about all this stuff. And I'm going to put it to the test and see if it's actually as good as they say and if it's worth the money. So this one, I actually got it on sale. It was like $50, $55. Shipping was free. So, and then I'm going to show you guys what color I got. I did not choose to be basic and get the black, although I thought about it. I got it in blue. And it's not just any blue. It's so cute. It reminds me of the ocean. And for anybody that knows, I go on vacation all the time. So I absolutely needed something to get some better pictures. Because the phone, maybe I'm not great with the settings, but it just wasn't doing it for me. So it comes, this is the vlogging one. It like opens to take vlogs so you can see yourself when you're vlogging. Obviously, I'm not going to remove it. I don't want too much of a glare for you guys. I'm going to put that back. It has the little drawstring so you can put the string in it. So I'm not going to do it now, but you get the idea. And hold it on your wrist. Now, this is what I'm most excited about. It has like the extension, like lens thing to put, you know, to get that, you know, really nice pictures. Obviously, I'm going to put this together, charge it up, play with it, see what the quality is. But right now I'm just unboxing. This is obviously to clean the lens. And then this is the charger. Let's see. This is the charger. So I'm not sure what this goes to yet. I probably have to read the thing. Is it? Probably here. I'm not even sure what it is. I'm sure it's probably the battery, but that's it. And then I also know that they had said like there's a little thing for a mic. I actually have a mic to go into it because they said the sound on it could be better, but since I already have a mic, it's not that big of a deal for me. But for some people, it might be if, you know, they're going to be doing a lot of talking, or that if they don't have a mic, it'll be a separate thing to get. So I'm really excited. Before I cut the video off, I'm definitely going to try to get this charge turned on, show you guys what it's looking like, how the pictures come out. So definitely stay to the end to see that. I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the way because I do have to look at it. But I do love the idea. And I want to bring you guys more vlogs. So we have one last box. I'm going to open it off camera, and then we're going to the package, and then I'll show you guys what's inside. So the next item that I was influenced to buy is the Kiala Greens. So I haven't really told you guys yet, but I recently found out that I have PCOS, and I saw a lot of the PCOS girlies saying Kiala Greens is so good. Watermelon slush is their favorite. So we're going to see. So it's supposed to be good for bloating. I'm actually going to do an update on everything that I bought because I really want to give like a good review. And just like really authentic. It says it's good for bloating, immunity, energy. I need it for energy really bad because I am very low on energy these days. So I'm gonna give it a try. I believe it's gluten free. I did like look that up. So this should be good. I will let you guys know what my results are after a couple weeks. And it's actually, even though it's watermelon slush, they're super greens. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I haven't opened it yet. I'm not gonna even open it all the way, but just want you guys to know that it is actually green, although it is the flavor watermelon slush. So when I try it, I will let you guys know. The next thing I bought is the card reader. So with the camera that I got, I want to be able to just put it on my phone easily, or to take pictures off my phone. I mean, you can do it multiple ways. You can use this. It's a 3-in-1. So let me go ahead and just open this. And they have this on Amazon too. It just was cheaper on TikTok, which they seem to have the cheapest prices, period. So this is the reader, and just to let you know, okay, it doesn't actually come with like the SD card or the mini SD or any of it. It just is the reader. So when you order it, understand that either you need a SD card, or you know, you can purchase one on like Amazon or whatever like that. But just know that it doesn't actually come with it. That's why you can get these pretty cheap for about $5 to $7, maybe even upwards of 10. So yep, just gonna go for the camera. And then I know that you guys saw me get the 4K camera, but I was also influenced to get the digital camera. So this one has 50 megapixels. I actually had another one, but y'all would not believe that I never used it, but I lost it. It's so crazy. At my nephew's first birthday party, I just misplaced it. So I ordered another one because they were having a deal. Okay, so I got the box open, and this is how it looks. I got it in black, super cute. And this is how it is. Let me see if it has a little power to turn on. It might not. Sorry. Don't mean to glare. Cute, cute, cute. This is welcome. And so the picture is pretty clear. It's gonna be hard to see because I have the camera on, but let me see if I can take a picture and show you. Maybe hold on. I'll take a picture of the box. And then I'll just show you, I'll do a playback. Okay, so the playback, this is how it looks. It's pretty clear for up close, but also there was a camera on. This is pretty basic, like your regular digital camera. This it's not necessarily for vlogging like the other one, but I would say still good. Okay, and then it's gonna, the little camera. I'm gonna show you guys how the pictures come out with flash, without flash. So you get the camera, you get the charger, and then the instructions. The SD card should already be in there. Yeah. Okay, I probably have to pull this out or whatever, but that's like the battery. I see a little SD card in there already. Pretty standard. Okay. And then it has a little string. So there's that. And I actually put together the other camera, just a little intermission. I've already got my handprints on it clearly. And let me just press the power button at the top. Kind of has that same like welcome sign. It's probably made by the same like Chinese company. Let me go. I took a picture. This is the playback button. I just took a picture of the instructions just to show you guys like how clear it is. It's gonna be great for vlogging. Super cute. So yeah. And then the other thing, that I like about it is you flip it and then you can like see yourself when you are vlogging. So it's gonna be super cute. And I put of course the lens on it so I can get really good focus. And the flash seems to be good. Now I did tell you guys about that audio for that mic, and then also like your USB, HD, all that stuff like that. But this is super easy to use. I'm also gonna play with the settings. Goodbye. I still love this color though, y'all. So once I get some pictures of myself taken, I'm gonna have to do a update for this whole video because all these TikTok products, I just want to make sure I thoroughly review them. This is really just an unboxing. And to top everything off, I got the viral vlogging kit, you guys. So I got the vlogging kit before I got the 4K camera, but then I was like, how are you gonna get the vlogging kit without the camera? Like, they go hand in hand. So I got it, and let's open it. So it says it comes with a tripod, a microphone, which is perfect because that's why I was saying I already have a microphone. This will be part of it. And I also have another microphone that I can use. But essentially, whenever you're vlogging with that 4K camera, you want to have a microphone. So just keep that in mind if you're going to be purchasing it. But it's still worth it to get the 4K camera if you only spend like $45 to $50 on a 4K camera, because the cameras that look like that are hundreds of dollars. And getting a mic is not that expensive. I pay like $15 for this vlogging kit. So we're gonna get it out and then see how easy it is to put together. Should be pretty easy. You know, this has to be the tripod stand, the light for the phone or the camera to take pictures, and then this is going to be your cute little microphone. So I'm going to have to put this together and then probably zoom out. It's pretty standard, it looks like. Nothing too crazy. So all I did was just lift this up and then I just put this out and put it down. So not much, but let's go ahead and give you guys a better view. Okay. So here is that. I'm like, what is this little green little thing on the side? The microphone. I'm probably gonna just put it into this one for the purposes of this video. So just put it right there on the mic. Usually take this. Oh, I'm not messing anything up. Hold on. I gotta see what all goes to it. The instructions for it are in the box. So how it looks is this thing, okay, is a little bit to the front, the phone or the camera. Oh, see, it's gonna go on the bottom. I'm just twisting it on there. I'm gonna show y'all in a sec. Oh. I don't want to break it. Oh, I see what it is. You have to twist this part where the camera goes on it a little bit up. Okay, guys, so this is how far I got. It seems that I still need to do a little bit of work because I need to get the light on top of here, on top of the camera, and then also the mic. So I'm gonna have to watch some videos, but essentially that is all the products that I have bought, and like I said, I will do an update to let you guys know what I think of them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.